Hi students, welcome to my channel Geeta Jayaraj Accountancy. Today I am here with yet another sum from a revision test paper May 2023 question number 17, issue of shares from company accounts. Most of you must be knowing the company accounts. It's not a big deal, but what you need in your examination center, you have no time, much time to think and then write. So your speed should be at the most. At the same time, you should maintain accuracy also. For that only, we are taking these sums and how to attempt these type of pro-rata allotment in a faster way. So I will explain you. You have to make the working note elaborate so that all the figures are readily available in your working note and you can write at a faster rate your journal entry. Let us get into the video. Phenopolis Limited is a company with an authorized capital of, they have given the value. What you have to do, you need to know the number of shares, then you have to divide it with rupees 10, so that will come as 40 lakh shares. Excuse me, of which 30 lakh shares had been issued and fully paid in 30th June 2022. This is given just as an information. You have nothing to do with that because everything is completed. It was issued and fully paid. They have received the money. All the work is over. In 30th June, they must have recorded also in their journal. This is just to confuse you. They have given extra information. We need only this. The company proposed to make a further issue of 3,60,000 shares. Here they have made a printing mistake. It should have been 2,60,000 shares. How it is, we will see at the later stage. Of rupees 10 at a price of 12, each the arrangements were being, they are going to collect 2 rupee per application money, and allotment including premium rupee 2, they need 5 rupees. That means 3 rupees allotment and 2 rupees premium. Final call 5 rupee they have received on, they have to receive it by 31st March 2023. Now see here, applications for 8,40,000 shares were received and dealt with. When you go through the sum, they have allotted only 2,60,000 shares, though they have received applications for 8,40,000 shares. If they would have issued 3,60,000 shares, then there is definitely they would have allotted 3,60,000 shares because the applications received were much higher than 3,60,000 shares. Whereas we see in the following points, they have allotted only 2,60,000 shares. So we presume that there is a printing mistake of issue of 3,60,000 shares. So better you start reading it as 2,60,000 shares. Okay. Now applicants for 40,000 shares have received full amount and they have given 2 lakh shares received on allotment of 1 share for every 2 shares applied. Then no money was returned to these applicants. Surplus money is adjusted against allotment. Applicants for 6 lakh shares received an allotment of 1 share for every share applied. The money due on allotment was retained. It means the excess amount is adjusted towards allotment by the company, and apart from adjusting the allotment, whatever is still left out is returned to the applicants. In case any amount is still excess, then that is returned to the applicants. So the money due on final call was received on due date, that was on 31st March 2023. Then you are recorded these transactions including cash item, means everything you have to record it in the books of Finapolis Limited. So I have made the format. But before going into the journal entry, you need a elaborate working note so that your time taken for your journal entry will be much lesser. So first we have to make applications received. We will write it in breakup so that we will be able to work out more accurately and more easily. Applications received. So share application money. How much we have received against these shares. How much is transferred? I am writing it in short, to share capital account. How much excess money adjusted against share allotment. Okay. If any money is left out, then that is adjusted against, sorry, they have given only allotment is adjusted, and then they will be refund of any excess amount. Okay. Refund. I'll just make it correct. So they will be refunding the excess amount, because they have told any money apart from allotment of shares, anything is left out will be refunded to the applicants. First, what they have told, 40,000 shares were total, they have received 8,40,000 shares. 40,000 shares application money allotted, sorry, I have to make one more column, share allotted. Shares allotted. Allotted shares were full 40,000. So application money received is 2 rupees 80,000. This amount is transferred to capital account. So no money left out, so no adjustment, no refund. So second thing they said that 2 lakh, second category is 2 lakh shares applied. For every 2 applied, they have given 1 share. It means if they have applied 2 shares, they have allotted 1 share. So only 1 lakh is allotted. Sorry. 1 lakh is allotted. So 2 lakh into 2 rupee. So we have received the application money 4 lakh. But only 2 lakh has gone to share capital account, and the balance 2 lakh is adjusted against allotment. When allotment becomes due, we will adjust it. Then second thing they said that 6 lakh shares were applied. For every 5 share, 1 share is allotted. See here, if 5 share is applied, we need how much is allotted. So when you, what you need, how much is allotted. So keep it here. Allotted is 1. 1 is allotted means applied is 5. If they have applied 6 lakh shares, then how much is allotted? Cross multiply and divide it by 2. You will be getting 1,20,000 shares. That is 6 lakh divided by 5. Okay, so 1,20,000 shares were allotted. So we have received for 6 lakh shares 2 rupees, So we received 12 lakh rupees. Out of that, only 120 shares into 2 lakh 40,000 has gone to share capital. And we need 5 rupees on allotment including premium. So it is 1 lakh because application is 2 rupees, allotment is 3 plus 2, final call afterwards. Now they don't want to keep any amount after this. So 5 rupees into 1 lakh 20,000 is 6 lakh rupees is adjusted along with the premium in this. So balance is 6 plus 2, 840, 840, 60, 90 and 3 lakh. So 3 lakh 60,000 is refunded to these category of applicants. Okay. So now we are going to total this. See here. As per the question, total applications received were 8 lakh 40,000. Correct. Allotted is only 2 lakh 60,000. That's why I said that there is a printing mistake, maybe. So it's a printing mistake. So you have to take it as 2 lakh 60,000 shares. Because if they have to issue 3 lakh 60,000 shares, they have got enough number of shares applied. They would have allotted, but they have allotted only 2 lakh 60. It means the issue itself is 2 lakh 60,000 because you can't issue more than that. Okay. You can't allot more than the shares issued. So now how much application money received? 2 4 plus 12, 16 lakh 80,000. So first item for writing your journal entry, 6 lakh 80,000 is received. How much has gone towards a share capital account from share application? 4 5 lakh 20,000. So you need not to calculate that. You can write it faster way. And how much is adjusted against allotment? 8 lakh rupees. How much is refunded? 3 lakh 60,000. So if you add 5 lakh 20 plus 8, 13, 20 plus 3, 1680. 1680 gets converted. This is your working note. Now we are moving on with the journal entry. So first date is July 1, 2022. Wherever date is given, don't forget to write the date. July 1. So we are going to write bank account debit. $16 lakh 80,000. Okay. 16 lakh 80,000 to equity or share application account. $16 lakh 80,000. You have to write the narration. Application money received. Application money received at the rate of 2 per application. Okay. So now moving on to this, we are going to transfer it to share capital account. Okay. Share application account. Debit. You can just see your working note and start writing. 16 lakh, 1 minute. So 16 lakh 80,000 So we are taking only to share capital account 2,60,000 only we are taking at the rate of 2 rupees. So you can write here also 2,60,000 shares is allotted totally into 2. That will be your 5,20,000. So some amount we have adjusted against allotment, share allotment account. That is 2 lakh from the first category and 6 lakh from the second category, totaling 8 lakh rupee. Sorry, so 8 lakh rupee. Then balance amount we have refunded to the applicants to bank account. We have refunded excess amount of 3,60,000. You can see the journal has matched. Here you can write share application amount transferred to share capital and the excess amount adjusted towards allotment and refund. Okay, so now this is over. Now the next thing is that we have to make due for allotment. Allotment due we have to put. So all of you know this share allotment account. Premium is included in allotment, so you have to keep it in mind. Allotment account debit. We need for 2,60,000 shares, we need 5 rupees. 5 2s are 10, 5 6 are 30. So the total comes to 13 lakh. You must be very fast in your calculation also. 13 lakh. So to share capital account, to securities premium account. Securities premium account, it is 2,60,000 shares into 2 rupees, that is 5,20,000. Balance is allotment 80,000. 6 lakh, so 7 lakh 80,000. Okay, so now allotment become due. Now the amount which is we are going to receive in the bank account is, we don't need in the second category. See here, you can make it very easily. Third category, those who have applied for 6 lakh shares need not to pay the allotment money. But first category, 40,000 shares, they must make the payment of 5 rupees. So we need 2 lakh rupee from these people. And we got from our working note, we have for 1 lakh shares, we need 5 rupees, 5 lakh rupee. But we have got already 2 lakh rupees. So from this 1 lakh share people, we need total 5 rupees minus, already we have, okay, let me take it as 5 lakh rupee. Already we have adjusted 2 lakh rupee. towards allotment. So we need 3 lakh rupees. So we need 3 lakh from the second category and 2 lakh from the first category. So 5 lakh rupee bank account debit, 5 lakh rupee to equity share allotment account. See, already we have credited 8 lakh. Now we have credited 5 lakh. So 13 lakh is again credited and got equal with this debit and credit. Okay. So now we have received this amount. Now we are going to make a due for. I don't have space, so I am going down here. So we are going to make a due for this final call account. Final call account, share call account, debit for 2,60,000. We need 5 rupees. That is your 13 lakh again. To share capital account, 13 lakh rupee. So you can write call money become due. Need not to write a very long narration because you will not have time to write so much. So make it short, but your keyword should be there. Call money become due. So I will not deduct. You have not written a long narration and all. You have to write it to the point. Call money become due. Okay. Now this is received on 31st March. Here you have to write the date. 31st March. This money was received on 31st March 2023. So bank account debit. So it's a very simple question on pro-rata allotment. Only thing is that you should make the working note again, as I said, in an elaborate manner so that easily you can make your journal entry. See here, you can just make it as bank account debit 1680 and to application this much, to allotment this much, refund this much. Enough. Now coming to allotment, you know that how much would have received. Due is 13 lakh, 8 lakh we have already received, only 5 lakh is to be received because there is no forfeiture, failure, so you have nothing to worry, straight away you can put 5 lakh. Here there is no money available, this is refunded, so you are going to put 13 lakh and to 13 lakh. Bank account to share call first and final call account, $13 lakh. Simply you write call money received. That's it. Call money kindly watch the video till the end. If you have watched till the end, thank you for that, and keep learning, and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share this with your friends and relatives whomsoever it would be useful. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.